What is up, guys? It's your boy Trap Dab up in this bitch. You already know. Back at it again with a influence bettering video. So in this one, I'm gonna teach you how to do that shadow work that I was talking about. Alright? So I have made a doc, PowerPoint, something to be on the right track and teach y'all how to start, what is it, and just how to start, because y'all gotta start this. It's going to better your life 125 million%, okay? Guaranteed, okay? Or your money back. But this is a free video, so I mean, I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, let's get started. So, I wrote down, what is shadow work? Basically, from a definition that I found, all we deny in ourselves, okay? So that's gonna be the bad traits, okay? So for instance, anger, we deny that we are ignorant. We deny things that we don't see or realize. We normally see it in other people because, like I said, the shadow is in the back. You don't really pay attention to it. So basically it's that. Alright, let's keep going. Why you should work on your shadow. I have 10 little points. 1, it clears your mind, okay? All that thinking, all that anxiety, it clears that, okay? That anxiety, the overthinkingness will disappear before you know it, and you're gonna just be living life aware and cautious, right? Okay? It betters your love life, improves your weaknesses. You will improve your weaknesses. The weaknesses that you have, whatever they are, you will improve them if you choose to, right? If you choose to, you will improve those weaknesses. You also, like, with that, improving your weaknesses, you know your weaknesses. Thou thyself, or know thyself, something like that, right? Someone said that somewhere. You make clear decisions, not based on emotions. When you put your emotions on a decision, you choose to you normally fuck up. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. Love, especially when you're in love, you make bad decisions, and sometimes they're not the right decisions sometimes, you know, and we don't think. You are less stressful, 100% less stressful. You are happier. You restored that wasted energy when you're in your head, getting these emotions like all throughout the day and thinking and all that. You will get so much more energy. When you wasted all that energy in your head, you will do it in other productive things, making a business, making a bag, making something you like to do. All right. And my last tip right there is, life gets easy, better, and happier overall, okay? This is why you should work on that shadow, because that shadow is that thing kind of holding you back, man. It's holding you back, emotions. You're doing decisions on stupid shit. You're not clear thinking. You ain't in the zone, okay? You ain't in the zone. You getting overrun by the shadow. Now, I'm not saying the shadow is all bad. There's also good characteristics in the shadow, but you have to know what those are so you can even improve them a little bit more and work on your weaknesses. So when you have those weaknesses improved, you are going to be a god, okay? Anyways, how to start, all right? How we are going to start this shadow work, okay? First of all, this is kind of the most important step. You have to center yourself. What do I mean by center yourself? You gotta clear your mind. Okay, let me see what I wrote here. Yeah, clear your mind and be as calm as possible. You have to be calm, collected. You can't be having stressing about doing some work, because you gotta work on yourself too, okay? You gotta work on yourself. So when it's your self time, just worry about yourself. Nobody else, nothing else, no homework, no television, no Netflix, no nothing. Yourself. Boom. Right? That's step one. Step two, you gotta start friendly, okay? You gonna start being friendly to yourself. You gonna be kind to yourself. You gonna start just being friendly. Like, hey, I love myself. I care about myself. So I want to improve myself, right? This is how you're gonna get started. Start a little bit of, like, you can say meditation, so you can close your eyes, think deep, breathe in, breathe out, have a clear head, hear the fan, hear a little meditation music, just zone out and start questioning yourself, okay? But you gotta start kind and love yourself and be kind and be, to yourself, because you are yourself and you gotta be kind to yourself. You can't be say, damn, I'm a motherfucking ugly mofo. I can't do anything. I am mad at everything. You can't be doing that, because that's just gonna be really tough and you will struggle, okay? You will struggle. Alright, and we're gonna start by asking questions. This is how the shadow work begins. You just start asking questions to yourself, because the answers are within you. This is what I say to a lot of people. Be your best friend. Start talking to yourself like you're just talking to your best friend, but about your problems, everything. And then you're gonna get feedback to yourself, and then you're gonna realize that you have all these little things going on when it shouldn't even be worried about. But alright, here's the first question that I have. Who am I? Who am I? What am I? Right? Who am I? You gotta think deep and honestly, because honestly, you can't be lying to yourself. Why would you lie to yourself? A lot of people lie to themselves, like, yeah, I'm great, when in reality, they're going through every day sad and depressed for some reason. I don't get it, right? So be honest and think deep, okay? Think deep. There's something there. You might not see it. You might not remember it, trying to forget about it, or something like that. But you know. Oh, you know. So, once you find something about you that is mean, disrespectful, or something you dislike about yourself, keep asking questions, okay? Why am I like this? Why did I become like this? And answer these questions, like go back and forth, okay? Answer the questions, keep going. Once you like stop for some reason, ask the next question. Why did I become like this? Could have there been any role models or anyone like a friend, family member, or influencer that I got this from, for example? I mean, it could be someone, something. I have characteristics that I wish I didn't have from my mother. She dislikes dumb people, and I do too. When someone pulls up with some, they know it all and they don't know it all, it's kind of like, it gets me, I don't hate them, but it's kind of like, you don't know what you're talking about. You don't even know how to control your emotions. So calm down, like they think they're alpha male, but when they're really like Chihuahua dogs, you know what I mean? And how can I fix this? That's the solution. That should be the final question. How can I solve this? Once you start answering and questioning everything about yourself and who you are and why you're like this, you're gonna realize that, wow, I know the answers. All I gotta do is do them let go, or you can't just move it to the side, because you gotta solve the problem. Okay, you gotta solve the problem so you can achieve, you can strive, you can go and beyond yourself, that you didn't know that this shadow was holding you back. All right, so let's do an example here. We're gonna be doing being mad at all the time. All right, let's say I'm always mad, man, always fucking mad. Wake up mad, go to work mad, come back mad, go to sleep mad. Okay, mad. So we're gonna use the same questions. Why am I like this? Why am I mad all the time? Maybe because for some reason I can't catch a break. Mad at my ex. If you're mad at your ex, I'm sorry, but you gotta listen to me, all right? You gotta this is facts. This is facts, okay? Let go. If it was toxic, let go. Move on, okay? Yeah, they made you happy for whatever, how long. They broke your heart. Oh well, move on. Trust me. Life gets better after that, okay? There's plenty of other people. Move on. Mad at my job. A lot of y'all hate your jobs. 9 to 5. Y'all chose to. Y'all can learn, get the knowledge, and start making the bag some other way. Your hours, your time, not being bossed around. I hate being bossed around. That's why I'm working on that bag 110%. About all the time, to be okay? Knowledge is the key. Mad with your friends. If you're mad at your friends, you gotta solve that, okay? You gotta talk to them, or you gotta realize maybe they're not your friends. Oh, okay? Maybe they're not your friends. They're just people there trying to talk to you because they're lonely or you're lonely. Okay? Every day is a new day. You shouldn't be mad every single day because it's a new day. Now, this is another thing. Time is irrelevant, okay? People made time. Days, weeks, next week, last week. All this shit is false. There's no such thing as time. Okay? But every day could technically be a new day, a fresh start. So, if you were mad about a guy cutting you off a day ago, you shouldn't be mad the next day. Because look at the birds, look at the sun, look at the trees, look at traffic. No one got in your lane this time. Wow, great. You know? You chose to be mad because that's all you know. When you're just mad all the time, you're just choosing to be mad because that's all you know. Okay? Move on, let it out, and let it go. Okay? That's my solution to that one right there. Moving on, why did I become like this? Mad, okay? Why did I become mad like this? Maybe the ex screwed me up, okay? Sometimes we deny this, but it might be true. Our ex sometimes be coming in this hole. They give us the love, and then we just get mad at them all the time because they fucked us up in the head, okay? They fucked us up. They made us look ugly, and we're mad at them when we shouldn't even be mad at them, because we should be mad at ourselves, but not for real, because you gotta solve the problem, okay? This is about solving the problem. Why you mad? We don't want to get mad no more. Okay, maybe your ex screwed you up. Maybe friends distant themselves, and you're like, why did my friends distance themselves? What did I do wrong? Man, fuck them. Why fuck them? Maybe they just doing and trying to get the bag. Okay, that's what you should be doing. Okay, maybe they left you or switched up on you. A lot of friends. Okay, friends. People think they have a lot of friends, but when in reality, you only have acquaintances. And when those acquaintances or friends to your head disappear and go off and do something else to themselves, you're like hating on them. Why are you hating? You should be saying, man, I'm proud of you, man. Like, keep going. Maybe people always have to have problems with me. This is a little note. Notice how you look at them, how you speak to others. Be aware that you might be the problem, okay? It's not them being rude to you. It's maybe you're giving out this mad, I'm always mad energy, because you're always mad energy and you're giving into them. So why should they treat you right? When they treat you right, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? Because you're not used to it. Those woke people, when they see you, why you mad? Like, and you act and you say, I'm not mad, with that face and all that attitude. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm not mad, I'm not mad. And you actually mad, okay? You know, you lying to yourself. You lying to yourself. Let's see, but yeah. So next step, anyone I look up to have anger issues like me. I'm gonna be for real. I don't have anger issues or anything like that. I'm really calm, just like my father. That's a good trait, okay? That's a good shadow, little, you know, that comes in, and it's more of a peaceful talking than violence. My mom's a little bit more violent, a little bit more loud, a little bit more like, you know, like, so sometimes I do have those little, like, what the fuck, man, moments, and I do realize that. But and anyone else, like an influence or a friend or anything like that, not for real. Mostly my parents, and that's about it. Maybe if I had uncles and more family, perhaps, but overall, I do not. And the last step, man, the last step, the solution is within you, okay? I don't have the solution to why you're mad and all this. I'm just giving you examples. But the solution is within you, man. Once you have found the answer to your problems, solve the problem. Once you know how this works, you will start to realize that nothing really matters, okay? Whatever happened yesterday happened yesterday. Whatever happened right now, like if I drop my glass, right, on an accident, boom, I'm not gonna be mad. I'm just gonna be like, damn, it is what it is. It happened because it just happened, okay? It was an accident, and accidents happen. I'm not a perfect person. I realize that. And, you know, so maybe I bought it yesterday. I would have, you know, been a little bit sad, but like I said, things happen for a reason. Or just because, you know, just because. Things just happen just because. And you got to realize that. Things happen for a reason or just because. Yeah, just solve the problem. Let go of it. It is what it is. Talk about it. If you have anger within someone, talk about it to them, okay? If they don't care, then you shouldn't care either. Let it go. Boom. That's solving the problem. Like, that's it. Cry it out if you have to. You know, there's some problems that really do cut us deep, and I did cry before when I worked on the shadow. And until you have fully healed that anger and let go of that anger, and you start seeing the light, and you start seeing the positive things, okay? The positive people. I was giving these people all shit and anger at them, but they're actually really cool. Or, you know, I was giving shit to my parents, but they're cool, man. They're just, you know, they were dealing with my bullshit. And that's about it for now. This was shadow work. How to do shadow work. What is shadow work? Remember that knowledge is the key. Self-love, awareness, consciousness, whatever it is, the dealio. This was your boy Trap Dab, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? This was not off the dome, because when it's off the dome, I just talk about random shit. I'll see you in the next one.